Hey, you need to learn French for Canadian immigration, but don't have much time. You are trying to pass the TEF Canada exam, but not sure where to start? That's exactly why I created my TEF Canada Success course. It's made for busy professionals like you and takes you from 0 to B2 level French in only 9 months. In this video, I will walk you through the course and answer some of the questions I get so you can decide if it's the right fit for you. Salut tout le monde! Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Umut and I am a certified French teacher with 8 years of experience. Over the years, I helped many students secure the TEF Canada exam, and based on that experience, I created this complete course. It covers all the exam topics, my tips, practical exercises, and real exam simulations to get you fully prepared. Now, let's take a look inside. When you enroll, this is what you will see. The course starts with a welcome and overview section where you will meet me and fill out a form so I can get to know you. You will also learn about the exam format. The course is structured into 4 levels from A1 to B2 with 12 modules per level covering the 4 skills: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. In the beginner level, you will start with the basics. So you can see here, alphabet, numbers, and greetings and simple sentence structures. Each module includes fun mini quizzes, listening exercises, writing tasks, and speaking practice. Here an example. And you will submit your answers and recordings and get personalized feedback from me to improve. So here we have a writing exercise, and here speaking, and here listening, as you can see. And at the end of each module, you will get additional exercises to reinforce what you've learned. The lessons build up progressively, so by the time you reach the B2 level, you will feel confident in all sections of the exam. Just a heads up, the course is launching very soon and spots are limited. Once we hit the maximum number of students, enrollment closes. So if you are serious about passing the TEF Canada exam, don't wait too long. Secure your spot today using the link below. The course is designed to take you from 0 to B2 level French. If you go through all the lessons, do the exercises, and stay consistent, you will have a B2 level in French. Yes, absolutely. Over the 9 months, you will be practicing real exam-style exercises and mock tests, so you will feel fully prepared. You should plan to dedicate 3 to 5 hours per week to the course. The best part is that you have full control to the schedule, and you are the one who is deciding when to take the course or not. 100%, the course is built for busy professionals. You can do the lessons whenever it works for you, evenings, weekends, even during your lunch break, whatever fits your schedule. Yes, so you got 2 options. The first one is self-paced package. You do the modules at your own pace and submit the assignments and you will receive a feedback from me. And the second one is the full package. On top of the self-paced lessons, you will get an hour weekly group classes where you can practice speaking, pronunciation, and ask your questions. The self-paced package is $900 or $100 per month if you prefer monthly installments. If you want to live group classes too, it's an additional $100 per month. This is actually quite affordable compared to other courses out there. And if for any reason you are not happy with the course, you can get a refund within 30 days. I hope this answers all your questions. Everything I teach in this course is based on real success stories from my students who have passed the test and secured their PR. You can check out student testimonials on the course page. And if you are curious about my teaching style, you can check out my other videos about TEF Canada exam. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments. Can't wait to see you in class. Merci et à bientôt.